Check out our newest feature release. Now you can automatically add www to the domain connect. Automatically include DNS records for subdomains when connecting your domain, streamlining the process of setting up websites and funnels. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Now you can seamlessly add DNS records for both the main domain and some subdomains simultaneously. A new checkbox feature ensures automatic inclusion of subdomain records. And this new feature is going to enhance user experience by simplifying the process. So first, let's go ahead and access your settings inside of your account. That's going to be on your lower navigation right towards the bottom. From there, you're going to go ahead and select domains under that settings menu. Now go ahead and click plus add. Enter your root domain or your subdomain. Now use the toggle option to include www and go ahead and click continue. Automatically handle those DNS record creations within this pop-up. So go ahead and select what you need and authorize that. Now access the subdomain. This is the www, which has now been added. Let's talk about creating a redirect access. So go ahead into the URL redirects. This is under settings in your main settings menu, and go ahead and click plus add a redirect. From here, we're going to go ahead and customize all of those settings. Make sure you add your domain. If you need a /path, go ahead and type that in. Make sure you select all. This will include if it is in a funnel or a website. And now go ahead and click the Add Direct button, click the Add Direct button. Now, in your domain settings, you can see and access the redirected domains. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.